put in our borax and our water.
Mix it good.
Let's mix it very good. Okay, guys, mix it. Okay, guys, and make sure all the powder and stuff is like
mixed in together good.
Mixing together good. Okay, let's keep on mixing that for a little bit. How about you keep on mixing it?
Yes.
Keep on mixing it. Hey, put in some glue. Put in the glue.
And then we're gonna put in the glue.
All right, put in the glue. Ready? Let's do it together. Go. Okay, guys. Okay. Ugh, sticky. It's weird. It feels weird.
And you can't even put it in.
Okay, guys.
I'm just gonna let it stay there. So.
Okay, that all my glue. How much glue do you have? Okay, guys. Next, we're gonna put in some shaving cream. Let's do it. Come on. What? It's not working. Get out of here, shaving cream. Alright, I might have to use this spoon to get it out. Alright, guys. So let's get this.
Mine's not coming out.
Mine is.
Ooh.
Yeah.
It looks like I'm gonna
Here.
make it.
Yeah, you got some on mine. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna put in some cornstarch. Put in some cornstarch.
Cornstarch?
Put in some cornstarch. Ooh. What you do? Oh, that's your egg. Then we're gonna. What you do? Oh God. Now we're gonna put. Smell it. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna put in some of this. I forgot to mix. Let's mix.
What is that?
Where is it? Okay, let's get that off. Okay, now guys, let's mix our slime. Alright. Let's mix in our slime. Let's do it. Then we're gonna put in some soap. Where's the soap? Put in some soap. Not too much, guys. Hey! Alright, mix it. Did you even put soap?
Yeah.
No. Yes, and I'll put some more soap. Go.
Mix.
Pull it up. Pull it up. Oh, it's gonna slime. Okay, my turn. Guys, my turn. Come on.
Mix.
Come on. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Put your food coloring in.
And then we're gonna
put your food coloring.
And then I'm gonna put in my food coloring.
Okay, guys. So right now, I didn't want mine to be colored slime. I didn't want mine to be colored. So yeah. All right. Put your color in.
I did.
Not too much, Haley.
I did.
This powder is so
Come
drippy.
on.
Okay, guys. Look at it. It's so slippery.
Okay,
Wait.
still in the color.
Okay, here.
Okay, Scally.
Okay, and then we got.
I
got stuff on my hand. Where's your paper towel? I need it. Thank you. What you just do to it?
Nothing.
I really need it because
mine is turning into a light blue. A light pink, guys.
All right, now it's activated.
Yep.
All right, feel Haley. Yours is so pink.
Yeah, I know.
All right. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and put this in there. Okay, let's do this. Oh my God, guys, this is really activating.
You don't need that much, guys.
Here, now mix. Let me mix
Scour
first. Ooh, I gotta get some of that in there too. I just can't have just a little bit of slime. Guys, look at that. It's ball. It's so
When
cool.
it's so balled up, that means it's a little bit ready, and you did get kneaded with your hand.
Yeah, with your hand. Ugh.
Scour, come on, you don't need that much.
Alright, mix it. Swatch it. Yeah. So sticky.
I didn't really mix my food coloring, so I better do that.
What do you mean you didn't mix your food coloring?
I didn't really mix my food coloring that good.
Girl, get that off. Okay.
Okay.
Ugh, get that off of here. I don't want pink stuff in my slime.
Okay, guys.
Wipe that off.
No, get off.
Okay, guys, let's put in some of this stuff.
Some more of that.
Get that off.
Skylar, it doesn't matter.
Ugh. Okay. It's almost off.
Because mine is getting sticky.
Okay, guys, it's all off. Let's see. Get it. Let's mix it. Okay,
Yeah.
guys, I think mine is thick
Can I
enough
have this
for me to put it on the table, guys. Almost thick enough.
Skylar.
Right here. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and use. Okay, I'm gonna wait on you.
Okay.
This is six.
It's like a pink slime.
Alright, now try to touch it with your hands first. Touch it with your hands. Let me touch.
Stop. Skylar.
Ew.
Yeah, that's what I
It's
touched.
nasty. Yeah, guys.
It's getting stickier.
Alright, mix it now. Let's do it with our hands. Come on.
Okay, guys, now we're gonna
Do it with our hands. Oh my god, y'all. It's so sticky. Let's put that plate to the side over there.
I'm getting that into.
Ugh, it's sticky. I gotta put in some more. What a spoon though. I gotta put in some more of this stuff.
Oh,
it
me
won't
too,
be
guys.
sticky.
'Cause look at that.
Cause yeah. Now mix it with your hands.
I need that.
Alright, let's mix it in with our hands. Okay, guys. Alright, slime is almost done. It's almost done, you guys.
I just gotta poke it, guys.
And no, we're not poking it yet, so we still got to put a little bit more. So, Haley, yours is literally sticky. Put your slime down. Put it down. Yours, you need a lot. Come here. Come here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Some more in mine. So mine won't be too sticky.
Guys, mine is farted.
It does not need to fart because that means it's putty. Okay, guys. I'm going to have
We
to
need
get
some lotion.
Go get. Okay, never mind. No, we don't. It's better like this. It's pretty.
Okay, guys, now I'm gonna put away my
Okay, Haley, you really need. What did you just do? Was that the slime?
Okay, guys.
Stretchy.
Mix.
Alright, guys. So let's pull it. Pour it. No, guys. There's pink stuff in my slime. Alright, got it out. We're just gonna put a little bit more water.
How do you do that?
I don't know. Give me. Okay, guys. My slime is stretchy. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. I'm stretchy, guys. Slime is stretchy. It's so stretchy. Is there water in there? No. I need to make it better.
Okay, guys.
No.
I like that slime, girls.
Thank you. What'd you do to it?
Like
and subscribe. Look at that. I need a little bit more. Okay, guys, so this is our ending, and mine was white and hers was pink. And so let's put our lotion in. Like lotion makes your slime very fluffy, but I don't think it made ours fluffy. Let's rub that in.
sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes it might make your slime fluffy, and make sure you
Hit that bell.
and like and subscribe. So we're gonna do in some ASMR. First, I gotta get it like that.
I gotta keep
Let's do it.
mixing mine, guys, because it's not
Look at
working
that, guys.
out. I should have done it right.
Thanks for watching. Bye.